No dancing. Okay, so I have already marked Steve with the places that I am going to measure with the Skinfold caliper, and I'll explain how I found each one. So I've got the bicep and the tricep, and what I did was I measured the distance halfway between his shoulder and his elbow, marked it, wrapped the tape measure around so that I could mark that same position on the bicep and the tricep. I have the chest, which is going to be a diagonal fold in between the armpit and the nipple. And then I have the mid-axilla, which I found where the xiphoid process was, and went over, made sure it was level, and underneath the armpit. So actually, I think I'm going to move that one over a little bit. So I don't think I got right underneath the armpit. I feel like I probably go. Okay, so I adjusted that one. The subscapular, you turn around, you put your arm at that. I found where the angle of his scapula was, went about 2 centimeters below and marked it there. And then he also located the hip bone, which I confirmed. I marked directly above the hip bone in order to do the suprailiac measurement. And then the thigh, I measured the halfway point between the hip and the knee, then put the pinch site there. Just not sure, you can see that where it was positioned. So I went between the hip and the knee and marked this position there. So, let's see if I can hold this and do it. Nope, I'm not going to be able to. So I will put this back. Okay, so I'm using this style of caliper. And I will start with the tricep. And I'm going to do 3 measurements for each one. So, the tricep, which is going to be a vertical fold. Most of these are vertical. That's the pinch site. I'm going to hold for a couple seconds, get my reading. I'm going to do it in millimeters, and that's 12 millimeters for the first one. Make sure we get it like that 3 times. Yep, and I got 12 millimeters each time. Okay, let's do the bicep since we're already there. And my pinch site. I'm not getting any muscle, I'm just getting the skin and the fat right underneath. The visceral fat, that's what it is. I have 11. I don't have a lot of fat here. Yep. So we got 11 each time. Okay. So now I will do the chest, which is going to be, it's okay, a diagonal
Hang on, bud.
fold. And that is 10, 2, 4, 6. So we have 17.
Pretty fat right there.
I mean, that's what that's made out of. Yep. So it looks like 17 on each one. Okay, the mid-axilla. Is a vertical fold. And I believe you hold your arm up. This vertical fold. 16. 16. Okay. Scapular. And this is also a diagonal fold. And you can relax over this one. I was just looking for the bone earlier. Whoop. So that's 15. 15 there. Let's see, the abdomen is also a vertical fold.
Oh, Mama drew all over me.
Harder in the abdomen.
Good night.
18. Okay. 18 millimeters for that. The suprailiac is also a diagonal fold.
I didn't have milk after dinner.
Oh, I'll get you some in a second. 12. Okay, and the last one is the thigh. I think, again, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, so let's see. Hey, Emma, come here for a second.
I don't want to draw.
No, I'm not going to draw on you. Come here and hold the camera real fast. Hurry up, come here. So you have to point right at this X, okay, so I can video. Okay, so don't move, just stay right there. You're doing good. Okay. So it's going to be a vertical fold. It's going to be 2, 6, 18. Make sure to don't move it. Go back. Make sure you're getting the X in there. Thank you. And 18. All right.
My milk.
And that is all the measurements.